There is no front wall because on the left and right side everything is open, so you feel like you climb in open space, and yeah, that makes it very unique and it's very different. Jaz ne vem, sem jaz presran ali je... Nimam feelinga. Strah me. After almost 2 months of setting on chimney, my back is finally kaput. So I quit. 3 guys are still on the top, finalizing the last things. Route is completed, so yay, we're happy. 1, 2, dimnik, se slišimo? Sprejem.
Ja, se čujemo, povej.
Je uspelo, sta na poti dol, sprejem. Rope is stuck somewhere. On the way down, the lower part of the rope is longer because even static rope is dynamic.
Jebe nas kom majmune. Bomo prišli, bomo step by step, veš kaj nam dela, brutalno. Ajde, sprejem.
Ajde. Idem gor. The rope keeps being stuck everywhere on the way down because of heavy wind, and like they have to stop every few meters and figure out where the rope is blocked, which can take half of night, I guess. They're still quite high, so I'll go there from below to help them out with the lower part. I had to unclip them, and now it's okay. Still, we did it. Everything was blocked. It's like this all the way. It's twisting. It gets super twist, and you cannot move anymore. That's how the rope looks all the way up. They are on the way. Štrik se vam kratoviči spade, ne vem, če ste opazili.
Malo je edina težava, ker ne vidiš v bistvu, kje se te problem nastane, ali je to 50 metrov po tabu, ali je to 100 metrov. Pač moraš obzajljati in stvar rešiti in potem prijeti gor. Super je, da smo lahko rešili sami, da nismo nobenega rabili. After 2 hours you're like on the floor, but